We're here again. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees again. We're going to check this hive out. This is hive number 1012 nursery. Now, can't be too much going on. So this is started in 06-23, 2-frame starter hive from 03 nursery to start queen cells. We may not have anything in here. Nope, we got bees. I think you got mail. This is their water dish. This is their food dish. This is their pollen. And now we're going to look and see what we got. This one has nectar and honey on it. It's only on one side, the other side has nectar, but no capped honey. Bottom looks okay. No queen cells on that one. They still have some brood. Has some brood in here. There's honey. And they look okay. No queen cells. We have queen cells, people. Get my marker out. I'm ready. Side over here has some nectar, some honey, and some pollen. And some worker bees. This side here we have queen cells. We have 1, 2 here. We have one here, one here, one here, and one here. And some of those I may be able to cut out. Some of them I won't be able to. But if we get one, we won ahead. But I think we can get at least 3. Maybe 4. But there's some larvae still in here. That's them. That's the way we make queens, people. Push them together. Only this one here is not pushed close to the queen cells because we don't want no accidentally squishing. Put that there. You didn't mark them, Sam. Yeah. And the reason I mark them is so I know not to push this frame close to this one. Push them close to that one. Now they're all capped. So what I'm going to do, if they're not capped, I just put one mark. If they're capped, I put a cross on the top so I know which ones were capped first. These I don't know. I figured they were all capped at the same time. All this over here is where queen cells was. before on another hive, maybe. Okay. And then we push these close but not tight. And that way when we come back and look, we'll know exactly where those queen cells are at, and we can be extra safe with them. Okay, now, we don't want to put this big, this is the super thing that I had on the top because that's what I had. We don't want to put that up there. We're going to take this one and sit it up here. This one's just a little bit bigger, and I have to use a super, when they're piling, I have to give them a 8-frame top. Give them their food back. Give them their water back. And that's it. So y'all want to keep track on this one. I don't even know if we got a number for them. Yep, this is 1012. Oh, might work that way. This is 1012. We put broken brick there, so we know there's a queen cell in there, and that's that one. Y'all, we keep track on that. We'll check it back in a week. Now that one should hatch in, let's figure it up. Let's see. We put her in as 2 frames to start on the 22nd. The 23rd. You back it up 3 days, so that would be 20. You add 16, so that's the 36th of the month, or the 6th of next month. It'll be 7, 6, or somewhere around about there. Well, y'all have a great day. We will start a playlist on this one for 1012, so you can keep a track of it. I'm going to do that with all of them now, I think. That way you can just go from one box, one time we check it to the next time, the next time, next time. But y'all give us a comment, share, thumbs up, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Bye.